Hi, my name is Chiara Diamore, and I'm the Executive Director of the Community Ecology Institute. We are the stewards of a 6.5-acre organic farm here in Columbia, and today we are working on our Climate Victory Garden.
The Climate Victory Garden at CEI's Freetown Farm is the second in the state of Maryland to be registered with Greening America, the organization spearheading this movement. We are designing our garden to be an educational space where community members can learn how to make climate victory gardens of their own. And through our Climate of Hope program, which is being supported by a county innovation grant, we are looking forward to helping community members bring these land-based climate solutions to their own homes and neighborhoods. In addition to the environmental benefits, there is no time like the present to be increasing local resilience by growing our own food. How much potential does a small garden have to impact the global issue of climate change? Quite a bit. When we grow food at home in a regenerative manner, we purchase less food that has traveled long distances, we can compost more food scraps and yard waste, keeping it out of the landfills, we increase the water holding capacity of our soil, decreasing flooding and runoff, and most importantly, we can rebuild our soil, bringing back its carbon sequestering potential. In addition to the Victory Garden and other land-based climate actions, the farm is organized to demonstrate in a variety of ways that people can support ecological health in the land that they have access to. For example, the farm is a certified wildlife habitat and monarch way station. We've created 3 small ponds to support local wildlife, such as amphibians, and have created pollinator gardens that support a variety of important species, such as bees and butterflies.
So we hope that soon you can come out and see what we're doing here, and we'll have a beautiful victory garden to show you. Be well.